Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. Some other common markups, once in a while you'll want to actually draw something to scale. So here we have, under our tools, we have sketch to scale. And you can do a rectangle, ellipse, polygon, or polyline. So let's just pick on a rectangle. Maybe we want to do some sort of an office chair or an office table. You're going to click and do your start point. And then you'll notice that window pops up asking for the width. And I'm going to say this is, I'm going to say 3, and then I'm going to say hit my tab, so it's 3 meters. Oops. Tab over to the height, and I want this to be 1, and then I could even rotate it if I wanted to, but I'm just going to hit enter, and that's going to give me a 3 by 1 meter table in here. So whether it's a foundation, a slab, or something like that that you want to put into scale on your markups for your design review, you can use those sketch to scale tools as well. Well, that's what I have for you today, a little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.